How you guys doing? This is Ray. So it's that time again. Avid releases Pro Tools 2018.12 update with bug fixes and support for Mac OS 10.13.6. And honestly, that's all you get. There's no new features. They fixed a lot of bugs. If you go over to the Pro Tools expert site, I'll link it in the description. You can scroll down and read all of this. They got this covered. You can also find the changelog if you want over at the Avid site. I'll try to find that as well, and I'll link it in the description. I'm not going to go through all of this. I'm just bringing you the news that Pro Tools is out, a new version of it anyway, and if you need it, go download it and try it out. If your version is working, there's no problems, no need to update. That's just my thing. But if you want to update, I suggest you wait for somebody over at Pro Tools Expert or one of us that make videos like this. If there's something wrong with the installer, we'll tell you guys. But as of right now, I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to image my drive and I'm going to give it a shot. So if you really want to know everything that's included in here, go ahead, click that description, click the link and come over to this website and find out the information. I really hope you enjoy this video and let me know what you guys think of this update. Later, guys.